Withdrawing money from TikTok in Jamaica is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can withdraw money from TikTok in Jamaica. So for that, you simply have to go to your TikTok application, and in your TikTok application, you have to tap on your profile. And in your profile, you have to tap on these three lines, which will open up the menu bar. Here you have to tap on setting and privacy. Now in setting and privacy, you have to tap on your this balance section. Now the balance setting should pop up. Now this should contain the amount of money that you've earned. As you guys can see in this, it is showing the PKR, but it should show you the money according to your currency. So you just simply have to tap on that, and what it will do is it will tell you that how to withdraw it. You just simply have to tap on the withdraw. In my case, I don't have any money, so if I have some money, I will tap on this withdraw. It will give me two payment options. The first one should be Pioneer, the second one should be PayPal, and you can withdraw money in any of these. So after that, you can simply transfer your money into your local banks from Pioneer or PayPal. It totally depends upon your country. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.